Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm gonna show you can do the Benny/F1 merge glitch car to car in GTA 5 Online. So this is how you can do the Benny/F1 merge glitch in GTA 5 Online. Step 1. For this Benny/F1 merge glitch, you will only need 3 things, and these things are gonna be a donor car. If you don't know what a donor car is or don't know how to get one or make one, then I highly recommend you watch this video up here on how to make your own donor car. You will also need one other person to help you out. This could be a friend, a random person, someone you met in a public session, it could be anyone, or if you want to, you can drop your gamer tags down below or join my Discord server, which has players on PlayStation, Xbox, and even PC, so you'll definitely find someone on there. And the last and final requirement we will need is to go and have at least one other person in a different targeting mode. So basically, if you're playing in free aim, you want to have the other person in an aim assisted lobby and vice versa. You just want to be in a different targeting mode. You can also add this person right here called Anwack. He plays in a free aim session, so you can go ahead and join off of him. I'll be leaving his multiple usernames on PlayStation and Xbox down in the description for you to check out. And those are going to be all the requirements we will need for this Benny/F1 merge glitch. Step 2. Once you have all 3 requirements ready to go, we can start the Benny/F1 merge glitch. So first, to go and set it up, all we got to do now is head over to the Maze Bank Arena, which is going to be located right here. Once here, all you want to do is pretty much go ahead and do a few things to set up the glitch. So first things first, make sure you have your friend, whoever's going to be helping you out, just chilling inside of the LS car meet for the meantime. First thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure you have your donor car with you. For me, this is going to be my donor car right here. The second thing you want to go ahead and do is open up your interaction menu, come over to the map blip options, click on series modes. Once here, you want to make sure the Arena War series is set to show so you can access the booth. After you've done that step, you want to back out and come over to the jobs and make sure every single one of these here say show. So just keep on turning all of them on until they all say show. Once you've done this part, all you want to do is open up the map, make sure you have all these blue jobs around the map, and if you do have them, then you're good to go, and we can now begin the Benny/F1 merge glitch. Step 3. So first, to go and begin this Benny/F1 merge glitch, you want to walk up these stairs right over here, head over to the ticket booth, and once at the ticket booth, go ahead and join up on someone in a different targeting mode. Now for me, I'm gonna join up on Anwack. So once you go and press join game on the person or join group if you're on PlayStation, and when you do, you should get 2 alerts. You want to accept the first alert and then decline the second alert. Now if you do only get 1 alert, that's because you're both in the same target mode. So just go and switch target modes and that should fix the problem. So once you finish that part, all you want to do now is walk over to the ticket booth, press your ID pad on it, and all you want to do now is pretty much stay on the screen just like this. So this is where your friend's job comes in. So what they want to go ahead and do is open up their pause menu, come over to online, jobs, play job, and they want to come over to missions and start up the titan of a job. Now once they're on this screen right over here, all they want to go ahead and do now is send you, the person that's waiting on this screen, an invite to titan of a job. Now once you get that invite, go ahead and accept it, but don't accept it fully. You only want to accept it to the part where it gives you the first alert where it's saying, are you sure you want to join this job? Once you get that alert, just stay on it and hover over for the meantime. What your friend wants to go ahead and do is pretty much go and press B, or if you're on PlayStation, press circle to go ahead and pretty much make you quit the game, but not quit the game fully, only the alert where it says, are you sure you want to quit the job? So now that both of you guys are on both quit screens, all you want to do now is both of you accept both alerts at the same exact time. So I recommend you to go ahead and count to like 1, 2, and 3, and then on 3, just both of you guys press A or X if you're on PlayStation to accept alerts at the same exact time. Now once both of you guys accept both alerts, the person over at Maze Bank should hear 3 sound effects. It should sound like this. Once you hear the 3rd effect, you want to go and press A if you're on Xbox and X if you're on PlayStation to go and accept it. And if you guys did the glitch correctly, the person over at Maze Bank Arena should have no minimap just like this. And all you want to do now is have the person that's over at LS Car Meet to send you an invite through the phone back over to LS Car Meet. Step 4. So now that you're back inside of the LS car meet, you want to open up your interaction menu, come over to vehicles, and just do request personal vehicle so it can spawn back inside of the LS car meet. Now once it spawns in, head over to it, and all you want to do now is come over here to your interaction menu, come over to LS car meet, sprint, and go and start up the sprint job. And now go and have your friend to go ahead and join up on the sprint job. Now once the sprint job starts up, you should see this countdown on the bottom right here. Once you start seeing that countdown, you want to pull up your phone, come over to your mechanic, and now hover over the car that you want to mod. So for me, it's gonna be the brand new car that was added this week, this car right here. And now just go and wait until the countdown finishes. And when you load in, you should see request delivery up top like that. If you see it, you're good. Now once the sprint job starts up, all you want to do is go hold triangle or Y to respawn. Now, once you respawn, all you want to do now is head over to this location right here that I'm about to show you right now. So, if you spawn around this area, just go ahead and pretty much hit a U-turn just like this. And all you want to do is head over to this bridge that's going to be right up here. Not that one right in front of me, but the one to the right over here. So this bridge is the one I'm talking about. Now, come over to this like little pillar right over here, and there should be this driveway here. Go and drive down, and all you want to do now is head over to that bridge that's right in front of us right there. Head over to it, and all you want to do now is pretty much once you arrive at the bridge, go ahead and hit a little quick U-turn and face down where the water current's going, okay? So just like this. Now press down D-pad or up, and pretty much now you can go and select which cars that you want to mod. Now for me, I'm going to be, as I said, I'm going to be modding my Panther, but if you want to mod another vehicle, just go to a different garage and you can select it. But for me, this is the car that I want to mod. Now, once you're hovering over the car that you want to mod, all you want to do now is start driving into the water until the car is destroyed. Once your screen goes gray, you want to go and select that car by pressing A or X. Now, I didn't realize me driving the SUV would pretty much not get destroyed, so all I had to do is go over to the deeper end. So if the same problem happens to you where you go ahead and do it and you just spawn back into the same exact car, just go over to the deeper end, which is going to be this area right over here. Go and drive into the water, and now this time, once the screen goes gray, go and select the car that you want to mod, and when you do, you should get this infinite black loading screen just like this. So to fix it, it's very simple. Join up on Anwack or someone in a different targeting mode. You should get 2 alerts when you press join game on them, so you want to accept the first alert and then decline the second alert. So here you go, accept the first, decline the second. If you get a third one, just accept it, and once you load back in, the car that you want to mod should now be fully modded. So basically everything from your donor car has now transferred over to your new car that you just modded. So what you want to go and do now is head over to the Los Santos Customs that's located right over here. Head over to it, and once you arrive here, if you try and drive your car inside, it will not let you. The door is pretty much closed because we're in the sprint job. So you can do 2 things to fix that problem. You can have your friend leave the game, or you can start up any one of these blue jobs. So pretty much just go to any one of them, click on them, start it up, and once you're in it, go ahead and back out of it. And when you do, that should finish the sprint job. And now you can go ahead and drive your car into Los Santos Customs. Now once you drive the car inside, all you want to do now is change one thing on the vehicle to go ahead and save it. Now I definitely recommend you to change the armor because it will not scratch anything on the vehicle, and plus it's fairly cheap. And after you've saved the vehicle, you are now done. Now if you do want to make millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online, then I recommend you watch this video right here, and take care.